Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into an important topic, ethics, trends, and the future of AI. We'll explore AI bias and fairness, cutting-edge AI trends, future career paths, and even discuss a real-world AI ethics case study. Let's get started. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. One of the biggest concerns is bias in AI models, which can lead to unfair or harmful outcomes. But why does bias exist? First, there's data bias. AI learns from biased or incomplete data. Then we have algorithmic bias. The way AI processes data can create unfair patterns. Finally, decision-making bias. AI can amplify social inequalities if not carefully designed. For example, biased AI in hiring systems could unfairly favor certain candidates, or facial recognition may perform poorly on specific demographics. To fix this, researchers focus on ethical AI development, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. AI is evolving fast. Let's look at some exciting trends shaping its future. Edge AI processing on devices instead of cloud servers, faster, more private. Quantum AI powered by quantum computing for solving complex problems. Multimodal AI that processes multiple types of data like text, images, and speech together. These advancements will make AI faster, smarter, and more efficient. Revolutionizing industries from healthcare to autonomous vehicles, AI is creating exciting career opportunities. Whether you're a student or a professional, here are some top AI career paths. AI research scientist innovates new AI models. Machine learning engineer builds and deploys AI applications. Data scientist analyzes and interprets AI-generated insights. Ethics and policy, expert ensures responsible AI development. Want to get started? Here are some top AI learning resources. Courses: Coursera, Udacity, Fast.ai. Books: Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans. Hands-on platforms: Kaggle, Google Colab, Hugging Face. With these tools, you can continuously upskill and stay ahead in the AI industry. Now let's apply our learning with a real-world AI ethics case study. Imagine a facial recognition AI used for security. It identifies people with 95% accuracy but has lower accuracy for certain ethnic groups. Should it be deployed? If yes, how can it be improved? Key questions. Is it fair to deploy an AI system that performs unequally? What data improvements can make it more accurate? Should there be stricter regulations before AI is deployed? These are the questions AI developers, policymakers, and businesses must tackle. Let's discuss in the comments, what would you do? AI's future is exciting but must be ethical and fair. What AI trends or careers interest you the most? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.